As the days get shorter and the nights get colder, gardening season is just about ready to be wrapped up in most portions of the country. One thing you should take in consideration is drainage of your irrigation system. Without proper drainage, excess water can stay in the irrigation lines, disrupt and freeze and damage the emitters, and sometimes can rupture the pipe itself. Depends on how large of a system you have. Some of you may rip it out. Ours is in-ground, underline feeder to the raised bed, so that's not really an option. But what is, taking a vacuum, inverting it if you have that option, taping it to your irrigation line, and then turning it on and allowing the air to blow the water out of the line. At the far end, I've got where the end's at, I've opened it up to allow as much water to flush out as possible. So keep your irrigation lines cleaned out in the fall so they work properly in the spring.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.